Let us see about the statistics question. Mean, median, mode, right? So related to ungrouped data, grouped data, all you need to focus. And this is one important property related to average. Average is 16. If you add 4 to each, average will be added by same. If you add 4 to each observation, then new average or new mean will be previous one plus 4, which is equal to 20. So it's not depends on n or 64, nothing like that. Okay, if mean is added by, if each data is added by 4, mean added by 4. If each data is multiplied by 4, mean multiplied by 4, like that you can take. That's a direct property related question. So next one, median is given and you have to calculate x value here to find what's the median for that. So before calculating median, first we need to keep the data in a ascending order or descending order. As per the data, x can be any place. X we don't know. Okay, okay, it can be any place we don't know as of now. But 14, okay, one slot can be kept anywhere. X is unknown. 20, 21, 23, 28, 34, 56. This is 7 data. Okay, there is one more data x. It can be before this or after this, but they said median is 24, means okay, adding those to divide by 2 should be, so that there are total 8 terms. When you have even number of terms, mean is nothing but, we'll get median is nothing but 2 middle terms average. Okay, see, they given 24 here. If you take, it's not involved here, somewhere x of this here, no, x will be somewhere here. 25 is correct only. 23 plus x divided by 2 should be equal to 24. X will be 25. X will involve there. Why only there, sir? If we keep any other place, fine. Then 23, 28 will be center. 23 plus 28 divided by 2, 51 divided by 2, 25.5. But median is 24 already given. So X may take some place here between 23 and 28. If it is somewhere X here, 21 plus 23 divided by 2 will be 22. Okay, so we need X here in this place only, then only 24 will be possible. That too, X value should be 25. Don't say cannot be determined, you can do. Next question, this is again related to averages only. Okay, 14 observations is 45. One more observation is added. Average is become 46, means one added to average. So 45 plus 15, 60 is the answer. See what you can do. Mean, okay, 14 average is 45. 14 observations or 14 elements. Now for 14 elements, one more 15 elements average is 46. Now one is added. What is that? One is nothing but 46 into 15 minus 45 into 14. From this new total, remove the previous total. That one person added, that new observation added will be obtained. Okay, here 600 plus 90, 690. 560 plus 70, 560 plus 70, we got 630. The difference is 60. This is basic average related question only. Now, what about this? Similar question might be discussed previously also. They are asking mean of the mode and median of the data. First calculate mode and median, then calculate mean for those two data. What is mode most occurred? For this question, which is most occurred? Which number is frequently occurred? I think 15, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 15 came. I think no other number is like that. But for calculating median, we need to put this in ascending order. So 12, 13, 14 is there 1, 2, 3 times. 15 is there 5 times. Total how many terms? 5, 10, 15, 16. When you have 16 terms, middle terms are 8th and ninth term. 8th and ninth terms are this. So median also 15 only. Median also 15 only. Mode also 15. Average is 15 plus 15 divided by 2, 15 only. Here mean, median, mode all are equal. And this is also related to averages stuff. 5 boys whose age is 12, 3 boys whose age is 14, 4 boys whose age is 15, 8 boys whose age is 16. So average is nothing but total age divided by number of boys. Total age divided by number of boys here. Right, so total age is 5 boys 12, 5 into 12, 3 into 14, 4 into 15, 8 into 16 divided by 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 8, which is 16 plus 4, 20. Denominator 20, numerator 60, 60, 120, 120 and 48, 162, 162 and 10, 128, 162 and 128, which will give 290 if I am not wrong. So divide by 2 is 14.5. 120, 108, 228, 228. You got already here. Sorry, 128. No, so 120 and 128, we got 248. 248 plus 42. It's 290 only. No, nothing. Right. So next one, if you observe, see the sixth question. They given mean. Okay, and we need to calculate missing frequency. Mean value is already given. So what we can do in this case? So 12 into 2. It's almost like previous one. 15 into 4, 18 into 3, 30 multiplied by 5 plus 40 multiplied by missing divided by 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus missing should be equal to 23. Right, so this is already 9 plus 5, 14. So 23 into 14 plus x. This side 60, 150, 210, 210 and 54, 264 plus 24, 288 plus 40x. Right, so 23x and 40x difference is 17x. Right, and here 280 and 42, 280 and 42. If you remove 8 from 42, we got 34. So 17x equal to 34, x value equal to 2. See, solve that equations in a better way. I taken x as the unknown here and we got it as a 2. Mean is given, you need to calculate. Right. Now see the next one. So mean you need to calculate. Okay, but here midpoint is required. This is a group data question. We want midpoint. How to calculate midpoint is nothing but okay. Stuff lower interval plus higher interval divided by 2, 3. Here 6 plus 12, 18 divided by 2, 9. Here it is 30 divided by 2, 15. Then plus 6, plus 6, plus 6. Now how to calculate mean here is 3 into 5. Okay, directly write that value, no? So 3 into 5, 15, 90, 225, 225 and 15, 240, 240 and 90, 330 so far. Here 420, 270, 165. divided by 10, 20, 40, 50, 65. So numerator already this is 600, 1020, 1185 divided by 65. Approximately, this is less than 20 only for sure. 18.23. They asked to correct to one decimal only. So approximately 18.22. They asked to correct to one decimal point. After the dot, we need only one digit. Now this is a bit surprising and good question. Median time from 4 a.m. Monday to till 9 p.m. Friday. Guys, 4 a.m. Monday to till 9 p.m. Friday. See, Tuesday full day is there, Wednesday full day available, Thursday full day available. Okay, but here Monday 4 hours gone, you have 20 hours. Friday up to 9 p.m. means 3 hours gone, 21 hours. So it's actually Tuesday, Thursday out. Okay, middle of this. 2020 gone, 1 hour extra. So fine. Okay. What we can do? Okay, if you want, we can just add all those timings. Middle one, no. So see here, middle one, middle timing. Here, okay, what I can do 20, 24, 24, 24, and 21. 72. This is a different question altogether. 72 plus 20. This is anyhow in ascending order only, right? So 92, 103 divided by 2 means 51.5 hours after. 51.5 hours means 2 days, means we have to enter into fine. So yeah, XM into we did 3 into 5, 9 into 10, all those calculated here. When I given 1185, we calculated all that. Okay. So 51.5 hours means 2 days plus, okay, means 48 hours gone plus 3.5. Okay, so Monday, then it will be Wednesday. So Wednesday, everywhere you can observe, right? Okay, sorry, 130, numerator 113 divided by 2. 113 divided by 2, we got 56.5. When it is 56.5, 2 days plus 8.5 hours required. 2 days means Wednesday. 4 a.m. All options are Wednesday only. 4 a.m. plus 6.5 hours. 10, no, 56.5, right? Yeah. 48 plus 8.5 only. It's 10:30, 11:30. No, it should be 10:30 a.m. It's not p.m. also. From 4 a.m. Okay, 2 days means Wednesday 4 a.m. will be there. Plus 8.5 hours. Yeah, sorry, here I mentioned 8.5. 4 a.m. plus 8.5. 12:30. 12:30 p.m. Wednesday is correct. Right, so fine. The next question here, if you observe, what is the difference between the frequency of the modal class and median class? My dear friends, excellent question this is. Modal class is nothing but which is having highest frequency. Mode. Mode means which is occurred more time. So occurred more time is frequency more. So modal class is this. This is called modal class. Frequency for that is 25. Okay. Next, median class. How can you get median class is, listen, take sum of all frequencies, divide by 2, greater than or equal to that, close to that frequency which model is having. Okay, cumulative frequency that we need to select. Let's say this one more entry here. Cumulative frequency here. This is 15. Here cumulative 27, 15, 75, 94. 94 divided by 2 is 47. So greater than 47, close one is 50. So this is called median class. So for median class, the frequency is 23. Difference between 25 and 23 is nothing but 2. Modal class is the one which is having highest frequency. Median class will be decided by sum of frequencies divided by 2. The one high more than that. Cumulative frequency more than that 47, but closer one. 75 also more, but which is closer one is 50. That is what median class. So the respective frequency is 23. So the difference between those two is what? 2. That's what the question is all about. Now series 10th question. Third largest value be subtracted by what value? We have to subtract third largest value. So the mean and median should be equal. Thus mean and median should be equal. The third largest one here is what? 50 is largest. 40, so this 44 should be subtracted by something. So that mean and median both will be equal. Right? Okay. Mean and median both should be equal. That 44 should be subtracted by what? Minimum 22 is subtracted. No, you see, use the options also with certain things. So minimum, okay, it should be subtracted by 22. If we subtract 22, it will be 22, or if we cross that 24 and all, it will be less than 20. So mean and median both must be equal, right? So what I'll do, listen, put that in order. I am using the options. This 44 minimum 22 should be subtracted. So this 44 will occupy this place or this place. If I subtract more than 24, okay, it will become less than 20, right? So 20 or less than that will come. If I subtract 20, it will be less than 20. So it will take this place or this place, that's for sure, right? So next 20, then 24, 26, 24, 26, 30, 32, 26, we have 30, 32, 40, 48, 50. Right. Now here, how much data we have? 9. Median is middle one, 30. I'm using the options here clearly. So median is 30. Right. Now if you want to get median 30, what I'll do, sum of this minus some x should be equal to average. So average will be what? 9 terms. 9 in, okay, 9 into 30, because mean and median both are equal as per the question. So 9 into 30, 270 should be equal to, okay, sum of all this minus some x value. So 40, 30, 40, 50, 120, 120 and 50, 170, 170 and 20, 190, 190 and here 80, 270. Already you got 270, fine. But 44 also there, no? So 50, okay, we'll repeat any 9 terms only, no? Yeah, 5 plus 4, 9 terms. Median is 30, right? So we got median 30. Mean also must be same. Okay, this is 50, 80, 120, 170, 170, 250, 270 already we got. Still 44 minus x is there. 270 plus 44, we got 314. 314 minus x should be equal to 270. 270 plus 44, 334. So x will be 44. How much should be subtracted is 44. Mean and median only, no? So 44 should be subtracted by 44 because see already without this 44 minus x, this term, already we checked many times. We got 270 that. 50, 80, 120, 170 and 80. Okay, 250, 270 already obtained. This should be 0. If you want to make mean and median both are equal. Third largest value. Here the largest is 50, 40, then 44. 44 should be subtracted by 44 only. Answer should be 44. Not this options actually. Now any other counter for this? Clear with this? See, there are many times happened options given wrong. That's not a worry. But are you understand this? Sir, how can you decide? Okay, that here median is 30. I'm telling you like okay 44 minus something, right? It can fall any place of this. But here as options are more than 20. I tried okay taking 20 and all. 44 minus 20 means it will be 24. Okay, in fact 22 is the minimum value. 44 minus 20 it will be 22, or if we subtract more than it will be less than 20. So it will not disturb my median with the other things. So that's what we thought of, right? So clear. So let's see about the next question, mean deviation. So first calculate deviation. How to calculate deviation is first of all mean required. Mean is sum of terms divided by number of terms. So 20, 30, 30, 20, 50, 50 again 20, 70, 70 and 30, 100, 100 plus 17, 117. How many terms? 10 terms, 11.7. Okay. What is deviations? 11.78, the first deviation is 3.7. Second one, 14 and 11.7, difference 2.3. Difference should be always positive. Here 1.7 deviation, here 0.3, here 1.3, here it is 7.7, 5.7, 0.3, 8.3, 6.3. For this calculating mean is nothing but called mean deviation. Mean means adding this divided by number of terms which is 10, right? So 3.7, 2.3, I think again this is also contributing. So here it is 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Here it is 9, 8 plus 9, 17. Here it is 6, 17 plus 6, 23, 23 plus 14.6. 23 plus 14.6 divided by 10. I want 3.76. Option D is correct. 3.76. 3.76 is your answer. So first calculate mean. Deviation is your number. How it is okay? Your number. How it is differentiated with the mean. How far it is. How far it is. How much it's deviated. The difference should be positive. Don't keep negative. Difference should be always positive. That's why I'm using model. D there stands for deviation. Now here, see this 12th question. They're asking mean, variance, and standard deviation for group data. A lot of people will worry about, sir, this is a huge calculation we don't want to do. We'll skip this question. But my dear friend, see all options, variance and standard deviation is already given. Same. Variance and standard deviation is already same. So what you need to do, only mean. So you know mean here, okay, first midpoint to be taken. Okay, midpoint taken. Now, okay, multiplication divided by sum of this. So, which is 10, 20, 30, 45 denominator. Numerator, okay, 35 into 3, 105. This is 280 and 35, 315. Here 660, 975, 600. Okay, so we'll add all that, divide by 45. So 105 and 315, which is 465 plus 1260 plus 975 divided by 45. We got 60, so option D is correct. Option D is correct for mean, right? Okay.